Last month I made over $1,000 from Rumble video sharing site using one simple hack which increased my earnings from $1.30 to $1,000 every month without even creating a single video. Even though I haven't started making it on YouTube, but at least I have proven to make it on Rumble. If you're still watching this video and you haven't opened up an account on Rumble, I guarantee you first create a video account before you proceed, and this hack will help you get more earnings without even creating a single video for Rumble. For those who are new to this channel and missed my previous video explaining everything about Rumble, you can check it out in the description. But all in all, Rumble is a video sharing platform like YouTube, though with different options enabling creators to earn money even without creating a single video. Back to the video. Rumble has got 4 video licenses for creators to choose from, and we are going to take advantage of these licenses to increase our income. These licenses include the Video Management Exclusive. Here you are allowing Rumble to fully own and manage your video worldwide, meaning you will receive all the earnings from your videos when Rumble publishes your video on other platforms like YouTube or Dailymotion. Therefore you will have to remove your video from other platforms you published it to. Video Management, excluding YouTube. Here you fully own and manage your video on both Rumble and YouTube. Therefore Rumble has no rights to claim the video or publish it on YouTube without your permission, meaning that Rumble only has the rights to publish it on other platforms excluding YouTube. 3. Rumble only, non-exclusive, similar to YouTube. Here, Rumble isn't allowed to publish your video on other platforms like Dailymotion, therefore the video must only be published on its platform, not anywhere else. The last license is the personal use, not monetized, not searchable, available to all your subscribers. If you select this option, you guarantee that your video is for personal use only, meaning you won't earn anything from it. Those are the Rumble licensing options you can select from, but Video Management, excluding YouTube, and Video Management, exclusive, are the most profitable options in the market. For our case, we are going to use Video Management, excluding YouTube, which allows us to upload videos from other platforms even if we don't own them. Video Management Exclusive is also profitable for those who own the videos, but what quality do you create, since Rumble is all about video quality? Therefore, if you haven't started making any money on Rumble, then create a new account and switch to Video Management, excluding YouTube. After creating your account, choose a popular niche from YouTube or TikTok such as pets and animals or motivation videos. Since these work well on Rumble, let's start by visiting YouTube platform, search for trending videos in your niche. Make sure the video has a good number of views and likes. Download the video using any YouTube downloading tool or through vidmate application. Don't choose videos which are lengthy, since Rumble at times recommends short engaging videos. Some of you can use TikTok and download videos but without TikTok watermarks, and to do this you can use an TikTok download application tool without a watermark. After downloading a given video, it's time to upload it on Rumble. Head to Rumble, tap the Upload Video button. Select the file you want to upload from your computer. This must be the video you downloaded from YouTube or Rumble. The next step is to choose a clickable title, and this shouldn't be a stress factor. Just use the same title from where you downloaded the video. Since it's searchable, you can also use the same descriptions, tags and hashtags from the downloaded video. And if you want to get tags of a video from YouTube, then you can use a tag extraction tool to extract tags from a given video for free. Use the same tags on the downloaded video when uploading it on Rumble. For the hashtags, then you can find them in the description of the video you want to download. Don't forget to grab the thumbnail of that video you want to download, but you can perfect it using Canva for free. After downloading or creating your thumbnail, you can use it on Rumble by selecting it from your computer. This will boost your search impressions on Rumble since it's not yet competitive, and you will be able to generate enough views on your videos, which in turn will increase your earnings every month. It's not done yet. We still have to do something great to increase our earnings from $1.30 to $1,000 per month. The most last important step is to select the right video license option for your video. Don't choose any another option apart from the Video Management, excluding YouTube, which allows you to upload videos you don't own. If you make a mistake of choosing Video Management, exclusive, or Rumble only, non-exclusive, similar to YouTube, then you may run a risk of copyright claims on both YouTube and Rumble, since Rumble will claim the rights of a given video on YouTube. After selecting the Video Management, excluding YouTube, it's time to press a publish button and wait after 12 to 24 hours for Rumble team to review your video. Don't worry, they accept everything you upload, as long as you choose the right licensing options. Now, I think you are good at this. The hack to increase your Rumble earnings is select trending videos from YouTube or TikTok, use the same titles, descriptions, tags, hashtags, thumbnails, and select the Video Management, excluding YouTube, and upload it on Rumble. Repeat the steps in this video and try to upload at least a video every single day for 2 weeks and thank me later. Before you leave, I have some secret tips for those who want to make more money on Rumble. Did you know that creators making lots of money on Rumble are recommended on its homepage? It's not difficult for you to get recommended on their page, since you only need 2 things. This is by uploading quality short videos with clickable titles and thumbnails. Therefore, TikTok or YouTube Shorts are the best options to get short quality videos for your audience. But make sure you download the video without the TikTok watermark. Another thing is to select the right niche. I have 5 accounts on Rumble in different niches and I have seen the entertainment, pets and politics niches working out well for me. Therefore, try to choose carefully, and motivation videos are also great to get started. In the next video, I will show you how to get featured on Rumble homepage with one video to make lots of money from rumble.com. Therefore, subscribe to not miss out new updates about Rumble. And for those who have enjoyed this video, I request you to smash a like button and comment your experience with Rumble. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel.